In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to search projects in GitHub. This is incredibly useful when you're looking for specific code examples, open source projects, or repositories created by particular developers. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're on the GitHub website, look toward the top toolbar where you'll find the search field. Click on it and type in what you're looking for. For example, if you're searching for projects by a specific developer, you can type their username directly into the search bar. You can also search for a project name, technology, or topic. After entering your search term, press Enter on your keyboard to start the search. GitHub will display a list of results that match your search. These results can include repositories, code, issues, and other content. To narrow down your results, look at the filters on the search results page. You can filter the results by repository, user, programming language, and other criteria. For example, if you're specifically looking for Python projects, select Python from the language filter. GitHub will then show results that match your search and use Python. You can also browse through the results and open any repository that interests you. From there, you can explore the project's files, documentation, commits, and other information. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to search and filter projects in GitHub, making it easier to find the repositories and code you're looking for. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next.